Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I start with our reading for September 2021. So let me start. Now I'm reading for Capricorn. Capricorn September 2021 reading. So let's see what is in store for September month for Capricorns. Right. Capricorns are triggering their inner child, I think. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. There's a lot of triggering happening in the month of September for Capricorns. I'll tell you, sometimes situations in our life lead to a lot of triggers. Like giving an example, suppose I had some issue with my father's authority. So if anybody speaks to me with authority, that is going to trigger my inner child, right? I've started my inner child workshop. In fact, I did it on 23rd of August, and I'll be making another group in, I think, by November or December. So please do join. I think Capricorns, you all are triggering a lot of inner child issue in the month of September. There is a transformation happening in your life. Okay, there's a lot of transformation. I think this transformation is mostly in the area of relationship and in money also, but mostly in relationship. Okay, so the first week of September for Capricorns is going to be a lot of stability. Okay, lot of stability, lot of money coming your way, lot of grounded energies. Like you'll be very grounded, very calm, very stable. Money is also flowing very easily in your life at that time, because I feel that in the past, you know, not past, I will say, if another few months have not been very good. Slowly, you're coming out of that thing of your fears. That's what I feel. You're coming out of your fears. That's why you're transforming. There's a lot of see what you were looking at in life. You thought that is going to be my life, but things are changing. Okay, things are changing, and it's changing for maybe some kind of karmic lessons that you're learning, Capricorns. So the first week is stability, money. Okay, second week is going to be a little complicated, because you're going to go through maybe deceit, maybe challenges, maybe some kind of a situation which is going to be very conflicting. Okay, this conflict could be internal or external. Okay, a lot of conflicting energy. Okay, I will like to remove another card of this. It will be towards a female. It will be towards a female, and it will be possibly a female boss, possibly a female from your family home. Okay, a lot of conflict. Could be you will feel cheated. You will feel cheated. You will feel as if, gosh, I didn't think this would happen with me. That kind of a thing. I feel this is a karmic lesson as the star card has shown up. So this is something what divine wants you to see and learn. That's what I feel the second week of September. The third week, yes, the third week you will get clarity over the situation, what you've been going through in the second week. The third week you're going to have more control over the situation. And the fourth week is stability. Fourth week is stability. Fourth week is celebration. Fourth week is, a lot of stability in your work, in your job, wherever you are. So I feel that the only time you need to take care is the second week. So let's take a recap. Your first week is going to be stable. You will have money in hand. Second week is going to be, you have to be careful about a female energy around you. Okay. You have to take care of your money also at that time. There's going to be some kind of deceit, cheating, or maybe you will be in such a conflict in your life that you will wonder what to do. I did not think this situation would come. The third week, there will be clarity and there will be control. Means the control in the sense you will be more in control of the situation, which you were not in the second week. The fourth week, you are going to have everything will be calm and quiet, and everything will be solved, and there will be happiness, celebration, maybe meeting up people at work, or maybe your workspace is going to be very, very positive. So that is your work reading, Capricorn. So let's see what we have in relationship reading. So I really hope you all liked my video which I put up for the pattern cutting, which I wanted to do it since a very long time actually. I will be coming up with more videos. I'm a little slow nowadays because of my after effects of COVID. I've been very slow, and also I've been busy with a lot of things on my social media. So let's see what we have in our relationship. Okay, so much of content making, then workshops, then my inner child workshop just got over, and then my I've been doing a lot of tarot, which I had offered a discount in the month of August. I might extend it. Let's see. If you're still interested in learning, so please contact me on White Light Healing Center with the er@gmail.com if you're interested, because there's a 50% discount on tarot courses. So let's see what we have for Capricorns in the month of September. There is a lot of detached energy. See, what I saw in my in your work reading, I saw that you all are coming out of your fears, right? So when we are fearful of something, we are holding on to that, right? That is what I said in my pattern cutting, toxic pattern cutting video also. So I feel Capricorns, you all are coming out of your fears and you want to walk towards success in every area of your life. Okay, not just your work, but your relationship too. So there is a lot of energy of detachment. Can you see? Detachment is a card for you. So right now, in the month of September, you want to walk towards success. You want to have a better relationship. Maybe you will have, you will repair the relationship that you are in, or you want, or there are so many people watching. Whatever resonates with you, if it doesn't, just leave it. So many people are going to have that detachment. So let me see, this detachment is towards, this detachment is towards, see, your root chakra, your crown chakra is blocked. Your detachment is towards the attachments you've had in life. Okay, so maintaining a relationship does not mean, giving up all your power to that person. Right? So somewhere you are detaching in the month of September. You're totally detaching and you're only going to work on yourself. That is what I feel, because here somewhere you are going to succeed in, I feel, loving yourself. You've been attached to a relationship too long. Okay, too long you've been attached and you've been very confused about it. Okay, now you're going to detach and you're going to succeed in detaching. You're going to succeed in detaching. This is a very, very deep reading, because your crown chakra right now, I feel, which was blocked, is activating. Okay, and your faith in the divine will increase. You will be more spiritual person. That's what I feel, Capricorns. And you are going to put efforts towards yourself. So this is all about, for Capricorns, the month of September in their relationship is all about their self-love. So if you're putting dedicated efforts in yourself, many people will come out of that state of mind which was very sad and disappointed in their relationship. You are going to start loving yourself, taking care of yourself, connecting with spirituality, connecting with the divine, and you're going to move out. I feel many of you are going to move out of the relationship. You're going to come out and you're going to meet more people. I feel you will consider more options in your life. That is what I feel, Capricorns. You will consider more options. You will come out of that negative, sad situation, that toxic attachments that you've had. So I feel that in the month of September, it's a total self-love, total working on self-love and spiritually. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy because it's really sad that to maintain a relationship, we have to go through such horrible experiences. And it's only about self-love. I know it is about fears. I know it's about money. But when you start working on yourself, everything falls in place, let me tell you. So this is the message for Capricorns for the month of September. Lot of detachment, lot of working on yourself, lot of considering more options. So maybe people who are married, they will work on themselves and work on their relationship. Maybe if you're not really leaving the relationship, you might consider yourself important and all that. Then also the relationship changes. Let me tell you. Or maybe some people will move on, or people who are single will leave their toxic past and move forward and have a new one. But then it's all about loving yourself, isn't it? Okay. So let's see what we have as a fairy message for you all. Okay, fairies, what do you have to say? Solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and total harmony with everything. The greatest treasure are those that wait silently during your quiet time. So you have to do an introspect. You have to introspect yourself. You have to go within yourself and ask what you seek. Maybe by meditation, maybe by taking time off, being alone. When we are alone, we think, we experience that void within us, which is very useful. Let me tell you, many people complain of that void. I never complain of that void. Let me tell you, when I'm alone and feeling that void, I get more creative in life. I come up with a lot of ideas and options in my life. So taking time off and being in that void is a good thing for, sometimes you should do that. That makes your mind clear and your decisions clear. So Capricorns, take time off in the month of December. See what you want. So that's exactly what came, detachment, right? Coming out of your fears. Yeah. So this was the reading for Capricorns for the month of September. And see you all next month. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon and share it with your family and friends and take this channel forward. Please increase the subscription. Please share. I want many people to benefit. Okay? And please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I put a lot of things on Instagram. So I really want everybody to see that. I put a lot of reels, meaningful ones. So I want everybody to be there. If you don't have Instagram, please download. Okay? That's all for today, and call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only, and that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye.